This is our glowing face and body gift set. Our first time to do something like this. I have been so excited to bring this because it features 3 entirely new products to us as a brand this year. It is worth €55 or £46, and it is only €40 or £35. So again, brilliant saving as with all our Christmas collection. And inside you get our brand new Sleep and Glow, our brand new to us this summer Body Glow, and an entirely new buffer brush for the perfect application for the two. Sleep and Glow is our overnight bronzing cream. It is so gorgeous, moisturizing and hydrating, applied as your last step in your skincare routine before you go to bed. It develops overnight. It hydrates, it bronzes, you wake up tanned, you feel alive, and your skin feels nourished. You can see my before and after here of just how it develops. Sleep and Glow also has no transfer, it's not greasing the skin, and it's not going to break you out. Body Glow is one of my favorite products that we've released, and it was a big part of my wedding look on my body. It gives the most gorgeous glow to the skin that's not at all really heavy on glitter particles. It gives the loveliest sheen. You can wear this on the actual face or along your chest, shoulders and décolletage, and it gives the most beautiful finish, which is perfect for the season that we're going into with lots of celebrations. And of course, no set is complete without the perfect tools. You can use our new deluxe buffer to apply your Sleep and Glow at night, or you can use it to buff in your body glow. Your choice. It has many ways in which you can use it, and totally exclusive to our glowing face and body set. And there we have it. That is our glowing face and body collection, featuring 2 brand new products, the Deluxe Buffer Sleep and Glow, and our new enough Body Glow for the ultimate body sheen finish. It is only €40 or £35, and like I said, it is worth €55 or £46. So amazing savings and amazing new products for you to try.